Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together how to set the default startup speeds of your tractor in both forward and reverse gears. To adjust the default startup speeds of your machine, you have several options. First, use the Transmission Settings menu. Access the main menu, then click on the Transmission Settings menu. The first two lines allow you to set the default startup speeds of your tractor in forward and reverse gears. Click on the value and modify it according to your needs. The values can be either gear ratios or speeds, depending on the different transmissions we offer. Note that when you change the default forward speed, the reverse speed is synchronized to use the same value. If you change the reverse speed, the forward speed will not be modified. Next, you can use the dedicated button on the armrest. This button allows you, with a first press, to select the default speed settings for both forward and reverse speed simultaneously. The adjustment is displayed on the dashboard. The speed adjustment is made using the multipad roller. A second press will allow you to select and adjust only the default reverse speed. A third press of this button, or waiting for 3 seconds without action, will exit this adjustment mode. Finally, you can simultaneously operate the clutch, the multipad, and the power control shuttle lever. Depress the clutch, position the power control lever forward, and simultaneously push the power control lever and the multipad forward to increase the startup speeds, or backward to decrease it. Similarly, the startup speeds are adjusted for both forward and reverse gears. Do not release the clutch during the operation. If you perform the operation with the power control lever in reverse, only the reverse startup speed will be adjusted. Now you know all the possible ways to adjust your default startup speeds. It's your turn to try.